Welcome. In this video I will show you how to make My Menu the default screen in the menu of your Sony ZV-E10 II camera. First of all, let's open the menu itself by clicking right here, then left arrow key to navigate to the tabs selection. Use the up arrow key on your D-pad to navigate to My Menu. Then right arrow key, select My Menu setting. Then in My Menu settings, we're gonna have to scroll down to display from My Menu option. Click OK and switch it to on. And that's it. So right now, whenever we close and reopen the menu, we will start with My Menu and not the default settings list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.